Hi everyone, I'm Jen.
And I'm Dan,
Today's lesson is perfect for couples who love to travel or who want to travel one day.
because when you're on the move at the airport, in restaurants, or asking for directions, clear communication can make your trip smoother, safer, and way more fun.
Let's dive into English for traveling as a couple.
Airports can be overwhelming, especially in a different country where you don't speak the language fluently. But don't worry, these essential phrases will help you ask for help, understand instructions, and stay calm together.
Let's start at the check in area. You can say, "Excuse me, where can I check in for our flight?" This is helpful when you're not sure which airline counter to go to. Use this right when you enter the terminal.
Here's another version. We're flying with Delta. Where should we check in? It's useful to say the name of your airline to get faster help.
Once you've checked in, you might hear airport staff say something like, "Please proceed to security." That's your cue to head toward the security checkpoint.
At security, always be polite. If you're not sure what to do, try, do we need to take off our shoes? Can we keep our laptops in our bags?
If you're carrying something special like medication or baby food, you might say, "We have medication with us. Is that okay?"
Now let's talk about customs. Usually, after you land in another country, a key phrase to remember is, do we need to declare anything at customs? This means, do we need to report or show anything we're bringing in?
And if you're not carrying anything special, just say, "We have nothing to declare."
Let's say you're rushing to your gate and not sure where to go. Excuse me, where is gate 23 located? How do we get to gate A15?
Or if nature calls, "Can you direct us to the nearest restroom? Is there a bathroom near gate 12?
You've landed safely. Now it's time to get your bags. Try, excuse me, where can we find our baggage? Which carousel is for flight 604? Carousel means the moving belt where bags come out.
If your bags are missing, we hope they aren't. This is helpful. "Our luggage didn't arrive. Who should we talk to? We lost our suitcase. Can you help us?"
And here's one more phrase you might need when talking to customs officers or airport staff. We're traveling together. Do we need to go through separately?
That's a good one. Some countries ask couples to go through immigration one at a time. Others let you go together.
So remember, speak clearly, stay calm, and don't be afraid to ask questions.
Airports are busy, but when you know what to say, you can move through them with confidence together. One of the best parts of traveling is trying new food together. But if you're in a different country, ordering food can feel a little scary. Don't worry, we're here to help with useful English phrases for restaurants.
When you first walk into a restaurant, you might want to see what they serve. Try, could we please have a menu? Or do you have an English menu? This is helpful if the local menu is hard to read.
If you're feeling adventurous and want to try something local, say, "We'd like to try the local specialties." Or, "What dish do you recommend?" This shows interest in the culture and helps you discover something new.
When you're ready to order, use polite phrases like, we'll have the chicken curry and salad, please. Can we share a pizza and some soup? Share is a great word when ordering together.
And don't forget your drinks. You can say, "May I have a glass of water? We'd like 2 coffees, please. Can I get a beer on tap?" On tap means it comes from a keg, not a bottle.
When you're done eating, here are some polite ways to ask for the bill. Can we please have the bill? Can we pay, please?
If you're splitting the cost, use "Is it possible to split? Is it possible to split the bill? Can we pay separately?" This is especially helpful if you're traveling with friends or another couple.
Let's talk about special requests. If you have allergies or preferences, speak up. Can we have this dish without the nuts? I'm allergic to dairy. Does this contain milk or cheese? We don't eat pork. Is there another option?
You can also choose where you sit. If you want a nice view, try "We prefer a table with a view." Is there a table by the window?
And if the restaurant is crowded, the staff might say, it will be a 20-minute wait. You can respond with, that's fine, we'll wait. Or, is there a place we can sit while we wait?
Finally, don't forget to say thank you. A little kindness goes a long way. Thank you, everything was delicious. We really enjoyed the meal.
Restaurants are a great place to relax, connect, and enjoy the culture of the place you're visiting.
And with these phrases, you and your partner can order with confidence and enjoy every bite together. When you're exploring a new city, you'll want to ask for directions, learn about local customs, and maybe even chat with the locals. A few simple English phrases can make your adventures smoother and more fun.
Let's start with asking for directions. These phrases will help you when you're trying to find your way. Excuse me, could you tell us how to get to the Eiffel Tower? Is this the right way to the Louvre? How far is it from here? Can we walk there or should we take a taxi? These are useful when exploring on foot or using public transportation.
You might also want to ask questions to avoid misunderstandings or show respect. Is it okay to take pictures here? Are we allowed to go inside? What time does the museum close today? Do we need to buy tickets in advance? It's always a good idea to check local rules and hours.
When visiting historic places or attractions, try asking questions to learn more. What's the story behind this statue? Is there a guided tour available? How long does the tour take? Great for showing curiosity and making the most of your visit.
And don't forget small talk. It's an easy way to connect with people and practice your English. This city is beautiful. What are your favorite things to do here? Is there a good local restaurant nearby? What do you recommend for a couple visiting for the first time? Is there a local market we should see?
Sometimes locals will ask you questions too. Be ready to respond with simple answers. Where are you from? We're from Brazil. Are you enjoying your trip? Yes, it's amazing so far.
If someone's being really friendly and helpful, you could say, "Thank you so much for your help. We really appreciate it."
These small, simple conversations can lead to great memories and even new friendships.
And remember, don't be shy. People usually love helping visitors who ask politely and with a smile. Quick tip: learn a few phrases in the local language. It shows respect and can open doors to new friendships.
Traveling together is an amazing adventure.
And with the right English phrases, you can enjoy it with more confidence, less stress, and more fun. Safe travels, and see you in the next lesson.
If you've liked this, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to see our next lesson.
Tell us where you're watching from. We'd love to know.